So ang pag-aaralan natin today is all about trigonometry, and we'll begin the lesson in trigonometric ratios of acute angles. So this is just part 1. Alright, so kailangan muna nating malaman ano ba yung mga trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios, but they are classified into 3. Yung first batch of 3, we have sine, cosine, and tangent. Yan po yung kanilang abbreviation or symbol that we're going to use later. Now, yung next set of 3 ay reciprocal ng tatlo. Alright, what are those? The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. The reciprocal of cosine is secant. And the reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. Now, saan ginagamit itong anim na to? Again, first 3, yung basic trigonometric ratios. And the next set of 3 are the reciprocals of the first 3. Saan yung ginagamit? Ginagamit yan sa right triangle. Right? Sa paggamit ng right triangle, ulitin ko lang yung drawing ko na. Sa paggamit ng right triangle, alright, normally ang ginagamit natin Pythagorean theorem. But in this case, pwede natin gamitin itong 6 trigonometric ratios. Yung iba, tinatawag tong trigonometric functions. Kasi as we proceed with the next lesson, papapalitan yung word na trigonometric ratios into trigonometric functions. Anyway, wala namang pinagkaiba yon, alright? Anim pa rin yung trigonometric ratios or functions. Sila pa rin yan. In right triangle, meron tayong makikitang symbol na tinatawag na theta. Alright? Don't forget that this particular symbol ay ginagamit sa pagkuha ng unknown angle measure. Alright? So, yan yung gagamitin nating symbol pag may unknown angle measure. Now, saan lalabas? Halimbawa, let's have this right triangle. Ilagay natin dito yung theta since that is an unknown angle measure. Now, pag-aralan muna natin. There are 3 sides of a right triangle. These 2 sides are what we call legs. Tama ba? And this is what we call hypotenuse. Now, from these 2 legs, pag-aaralan natin yung special name niya. Pag ni-refer mo dito yung angle, this particular leg or side of the right triangle opposite to this is what we call opposite sides. Or opposite side, I mean. Again, pag andito yung angle, yung theta, ang leg na to ay tinatawag na opposite kasi katapat niya. Now, ano tong leg na hindi niya katapat? Ang tawag dyan ay adjacent. Clear? Next, let's have example. Alright? If we have another set of right triangle, let's say A, B, C at right angle C. Alright? Now, gagamit tayo ng maliliit na symbols or small letters to represent sides. If big letters are used for angles, yung small letters naman ay ginagamit sa sides. Alright? So, obviously, the opposite of A is small a. The opposite for B is small b. And the opposite for big C is small c. Malinaw ba? Now, paano natin ma-determine yung 6 na trigonometric ratios? Para maalala mo lang siya, don't forget to use this particular shortcut. So, ka, towa. Alright? Gagamitin mo lang yung so, ka, towa. Alright? This is for sine, this is for cosine, this is for tangent. Now, paano kunin si sine? Halimbawa, ito muna example ng ating drawing. Now, paano natin kukunin yung sine theta? Alright? Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Right? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Clear? Next, paano kunin si cosine theta? Alright? Each angle in a right triangle, pwedeng gamitan ng 6 trigonometric ratios. Now, yung magiging value nun is the ratio itself. Ano yung ratio? Doon natin kukunin sa SOHCAHTOA. Moving on. Yung cosine ay adjacent over hypotenuse. Again, O, A, H. So yung cosine ay adjacent over hypotenuse. Next, tangent. How to get tangent theta? Opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent. Malinaw. Eh sir, paano kukunin yung tatlo na reciprocal? Of course, since that is a fraction, ang reciprocal niyan, mababaliktad lang yung numerator, magiging denominator. Yung denominator, magiging numerator. Ano ba ang reciprocal ng sign? Cosecant. So, ang cosecant theta dyan ay, baliktarin mo lang, hypotenuse over opposite. Alright? Ano naman ang reciprocal ng cosine? Secant theta. And get the reciprocal of cosine, we have hypotenuse over adjacent. Alright? And yung tangent, ano ang reciprocal niya? Cotangent. So, paano kunin ang cotangent theta? Get the reciprocal, that is adjacent over opposite. Or, kung gusto nyo magbibilis matandaan din, pwedeng gamitan din ng shortcut. This becomes cho, siya, cow. Cosecant, hypotenuse over opposite. Secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. And cotangent, adjacent over hypotenuse. So, yan yung ating 6 trigonometric ratios. Now, kung babalikan natin itong figure na to, ang una nating pag-aaralan ay yung angle A. So, kunin natin yung 6 trigonometric ratios ni angle A. So, sin A, cosine A, tangent A, kunin din natin yung kanilang reciprocal, cosecant A, secant A, and cotangent A. So, gamitin na natin yung shortcut. So, para makuha yung sign, opposite over hypotenuse. So, ito yung angle A. Tingin lang kay angle A. Ano yung opposite niya side? Alright. Small a over hypotenuse na is always C. Next, cosine A naman. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Kung ito yung opposite niya, itong leg na ito yung kanya adjacent. Again, tingin lang kay angle A. So what is this? B is the adjacent side. Now, adjacent over hypotenuse, again, it's C. Now, paano kunin yung tangent A naman? TOA, opposite over adjacent. Ano yung opposite ni angle A? It's small a over adjacent, which is B. So, yan na yung first three. Para makuha mo yung next set of trees, alright? Kunin mo na yung reciprocal. So, babalikan lang natin yung fraction. So, for cosecant, reciprocal of sign, C over A. For secant, reciprocal of cosine, that's C over B. And for tangent, cotangent, reciprocal of tangent is B over A. Cosine, wala, kasi hindi kayo makakapag-tanong. Now, let's have another one. Paano naman pag B ang ating kukunin? So, we're done with A. Next is kunin natin yung 6 trigonometric ratios ni B. Punta tayo kay sin B, cosine B, tangent B, reciprocal nila. Sa sine is cosecant B. For cosine, we have secant B. And for tangent, we have cotangent B. Alright. Let's start. For B, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So B, opposite niya ay B. Ang hypotenuse niya ay C. So B over C. Cosine, K. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Ang adjacent niya, kung ito yung hypotenuse niya, ito yung adjacent niya. A over C. Next, tangent. For tangent, TOA, opposite over adjacent. Opposite niya over adjacent niya. So that's B over A. Alright? Next, cosecant B. Reciprocal lang ng sign. So it's going to be C over B. Second is the reciprocal of cosine. That's C over A. Next, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So that's A over B. So yan na yung 6 trigonometric ratios for angle B. Pag ang theta mo ay B, ito siya. If your theta is A, ito siya. But, hindi natin kailangan kunin yung 6 trigonometric ratios ng angle C. Kasi yung angle C ay naka-right angle, which means 90-degree measure, na hindi nakasama sa topic. Kasi ang topic natin ay all about trigonometric ratios of acute angles. So, ang pag-aaralan niya lang ay angles A and B.